In this video, how to transform a full canvas video animation into a circular video using Camtasia. Method 1. Using the Media Matte visual effect. First, draw a circular shape on top of your video. Then, apply the Media Matte effect to the shape. This will allow you to easily create track mattis or masking for your videos. Next, add a custom animation. Select the starting point of the animation. Adjust the shape scale so that the entire background video is visible. To create movement, split all the tracks. Then, group them into a single object. Now, apply an animation to the group to create a smooth motion effect. Method 2. Using the corner rounding visual effect. First, draw a transparent square shape. This shape will be used to crop the background video. Next, add a custom animation. At the end point of the animation, crop the video into a square shape. Once the cropping is done, you can delete the square shape, as it is no longer needed. Finally, apply the corner rounding effect to smooth out the edges and create the circular effect. And that's how you create circular video animations in Camtasia using these two techniques. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.